at all the colourful fruit and vegetables. But wait, how do we know which one's a fruit and which one's a vegetable? Well, let's have a look. So, what about this one? Well, it's orange. And maybe we should cut it in half to see what it looks like inside. On the inside, it looks like there's seeds, and it's definitely an orange. So maybe we should put the orange in the yellow container. What else can we find that's a fruit? I'm gonna try this green one. Let's have a look. Do you know what it is? Let's cut it in half. It's a green capsicum. Because it has seeds inside, we call it a fruit. But a capsicum is not sweet like an orange. Okay, let's put it in the green container. Okay, so what's left on the tray? Let's try this one. Do you know what this is? They look like bananas. And bananas are a fruit. Bananas are very sweet, and they also have seeds. Okay, let's put the bananas in the clear container. But wait, maybe we can cook it. Let's make a fried egg. Okay, let's place the egg in the pan. There we go. Look at that. What a beautiful fried egg. Let's put the egg in the white container. Okay, there's 3 fruit or vegetables on this tray. Do you know which one's a fruit? Let's try this one. This looks like a pumpkin. Let's cut it in half to see. Definitely a pumpkin. Look how beautiful it looks. Has such a beautiful flower shape when we cut it in half. Let's put the pumpkin in the blue container. Okay, there's 2 to go. What about the red one? I think you can guess what the red one is. Did you guess it's an apple? That's right, it's a red apple. Let's put the red apple in the red container. Okay, last one. Not really sure if you can tell what it is, but I think it's a lime. Let's cut it open and see. If you guessed lime, you were right. It has seeds inside, and it's from the same family as an orange, so it's a citrus fruit. But it can taste sour. Alright, let's put the lime in the black container. How many fruit did we find today? So we have 1 lime, 1 orange, 1 capsicum, 1 pumpkin, 1 apple, and 1 banana. Don't forget the egg. The egg is not a fruit. It was just a trick. But I think you knew that. There's all our fruits. There were no vegetables. What are we going to do now with all these fruits? I have an idea. Let's make a smoothie. Let's put one apple in the blender and one banana in the blender. Let's not forget the lid. Wow, look at the color of our smoothie. It's so red. Okay, let's dig in. Looks delicious. Now it's all gone.